Hello everyone, this is Rajat Manamati from IIT College giving you the video presentation on the Master Project 7415 on the project name Invoice Web Application. And in this video I'll be talking about the project storyboard, project roadmap, the sprints that we have conducted, and the development and my participation in this project. So let's begin with the storyboard. For designing this project, we had built this project for our project line of Job Fits Consultants, which is at 112644 Market Street, Sydney. And let's begin on why have we built this project and what it is based on. So this invoice web application based is designed to reduce the number of paperwork and uh, manual working that needs to be done to handle payout all the invoices. The intent is easy, like it's so easy. We intended this to make it easy to access, track, store, issue and manage invoices between the multiple business organization, making it effective work easily, and also to handle all the invoices in the web format rather than doing it in paperwork. And the main address the main thing that we have this project will helps all the scammers and spammer can't easily access the system, so it's a big security uh, inside the system, and mishandling of the invoicing getting lost. Also the time consumption that are required to build the invoices will be saved, and moreover than that, the expectation of getting high errors while building the invoice and while uh, passing it on to the required pay will be uh, straightforward. And during the storyboard, uh, we have uh, gone through the most of the acceptance criteria that is required to fulfill all the client's requirements. And this project is designed to be handled by two user roles: the administrative officer, who has access to all the stages, whereas the accounting officer, who is restricted to do the customized template email notification, and also is not allowed to add or delete user. Beside than that, now let's move on to the roadmap, where we have divided our work in equal structure with the rest of my team. We have designed a project schedule in context with the Gantt chart, work breakdown structure, and in which we have divided the work in starting from the July to the 23rd of October, which is the last deadline of this project. In this division, two of my teammates from the business uh, analytics group and one of my co-partners from the development group had participated in this uh, master project. Now moving on, my contribution in sprint 1. So let's see what are the work that I participated in the sprint 1. So sprint 1 is mostly based on the design and development of the initial phase, like the view page for all the in building the login system sessions, building the user page, and also the start phase, like resetting the password, all the initial stages that are required to develop the system. And in this, my participation was to build a login page, the layout, the designs, and also to perform some validation check while signing up a new user, and also to reset the passwords. And also there were a few requirements, like I want to see a list of my clients, my vendors. So yeah, I've done some backend codes as well as front-end code to design a tabular format table where we can see the number of clients and list it out and perform some sorting, filtration, and so on. And in second sprint, I've come mostly on building the invoices, where user can create invoice, add invoice, delete invoice, and update invoice. Also they can get notified via email notification, uh, and also they can see the status of the invoice, which is either paid or unpaid, and many more. And in the third sprint, I got a chance to handle the user, where I can print preview the invoice, and I can customize it and attach it to into an email format so that it can be easily sent to the required payee. And besides that, I got the chance to do the testing, like a manual testing for all the stages with my teammates. And in this process I get a chance to do some research on different tools like SMTP and Twilio, which is an SMS gateway tool. We tried to integrate the SMS gateway tool into the application, but unfortunately, because of pay license and also due to the versions of different supporting libraries in this PHP platform, we couldn't integrate it, but we have performed lots of research on that. And also for payment system for all the invoices, we've gone through the PayPal library, which they had is a sandbox version and also a live version. Since live version is a bit tough and it's risky to perform, we have gone through with the sandbox demo version so that it shows how the system works. And lastly, I got a chance to help my co-mates with the project write-up, where the section has been divided into 4 equal groups, and I got a chance to go through the documentation on the what are the methodologies, approaches, objectives that we have come up with in this presentation, and also on doing the teamwork. We found it very useful. We became familiar with various tools like Microsoft Team, Google Drive, and also we got a chance to build a planner inside the Microsoft Team, where we can see the progress of every work activity that is being held. And yeah, and lots of more pages of eMahara collections have been done while developing this project. And I came to learn more from my project supervisor, client, and my professor, to learn more on this master project, how the development can be done, on team communication, their contribution, and also learn on many programming tools and helping tools and designing the mockups, everything. Like, it has been a very good journey in conducting my master project. uh, so I'd like to thank everyone, my co-mates Pritham, Rashna, Sakti, and all the IIT team group and professor and management for giving me an opportunity to design this project. Hopefully I'll try to extend this project in near future and look forward for more interesting project in upcoming years. Thank you.